Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. In today's video, I'll be sharing a step-by-step tutorial on how to create 3D AI dripping effect images absolutely free of charge. So without any further delay, let's jump right into it. First of all, open up a web browser. In the search bar, type in Microsoft Image Creator. Here, click on the first link that you see. Now in the text box, type in the prompt that you have created, then tap on the Create button. Similarly, if you'd like to create more of these, then you'll simply have to change the prompt, then tap on the Create button once again. Now click on the image in order to preview it. Also, if you'd like to download these images, then tap on the 3 horizontal dots in the right hand side of your screen. Then tap on the download option. So that is how you can create 3D AI images for free. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.